Welcome back to Noviland. It's another beautiful day in paradise. Just out here taking a walk, enjoying nature, enjoying the beauty of being out here in my favorite place. It's okay if you're having a day, you don't have it all figured out. Most days I don't have it all figured out. But I got enough figured out where I could always move forward, take the next step, take a walk, enjoy the greenery, enjoy just being, just existing. Sometimes the best thing I could do for myself is to get out or meditate and look for the gold. And I can't see the way forward. I can see what's in front of me. I could do the steps that are in front of me. Just take the next step. Do that with a clear mind, a positive attitude, surrender to the universe a bit, and the next step after that will present itself. Zig Ziglar said, go as far as you can see. When you get there, you'll see further. Let's see how far I get today. It's a beautiful day. They're expecting rain, but they've been expecting rain every day for the last 2 weeks. It's only rained one day out of the last 2 weeks. So who knows? Maybe we'll get some, maybe we won't. See some butterflies doing butterfly things. Trails in good shape. Did a lot of mowing, a lot of landscaping. There's a lot more to be done. You can see the sun on some of the lower trails from here. There's a lot more to be done. Some of it will have to wait until it gets a little cooler and there's a little less wildlife out there. It's all good. I don't necessarily have deep philosophical thoughts that need to be shared. This channel isn't necessarily the channel where you're going to get the world's best advice or the one thing you needed to move forward or 10 ways to make your life better, 5 dating tips, or any of that stuff. I don't know any of that stuff. I know enough. I know enough to move on with my life. Have a wonderful day. Do what I have to do. Enjoy life. Make the most out of it. You never know what's coming. A lot of good things are happening. Got some wonderful trips I'm looking forward to. A winter cruise. A partner convention next month for Kevin Trudeau. A major event in the fall for the Global Information Network. Some wonderful trainings. A retreat in September. Yay, still get to host retreats. And some more wonderful things here. Looking forward to redoing the barn. Looking forward to a lot of things. Some days, maybe I don't have all the funds or don't have it all figured out how I'm going to do it. And that's all right. Just take a walk. Take a moment. Look around. Smell the smells. Feel the wind blowing in your face. Feel the sun on your face. What could be better? Maybe tacos. Tacos would be better. Having a few friends out, that's always nice. But you know, on the days I don't have tacos or the friends out, I can still smile, I can still feel good, and enjoy what I do have. Love you all and wish you were here.